Hello, good morning. We can get started. This morning we are going to have fun with procedural macros. This is Pmyl, Giulio. You've met him because he's an admin on my chat. But he has never done two things: using Vim and using procedural macros. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. Okay. If you do this clicks and it's too strong for the people, but it's fine. I will do it regardless. Okay. Where do we get started? What do you know about procedural macro in general first, and procedural macros specifically?
No, not much.
Not much.
They generate code, and you can expand them. I guess. I don't know. Not much. There's a cargo expand.
Yes, it's gonna be useful for this. Okay, so you're starting completely like from a clean slate. You probably let's do stuff like in gradually. Like first of all, I will leave control completely to you from now on. Let's start by creating like a library project.
So you said nano, no?
Actually, there is this thing which I have to spoil you because otherwise it's going to be bad. That procedural macros have to be in their own crate, so you have to create probably more than one crate. But let's start with one.
Oh, okay.
It's hairy, like it's a weird thing because let's do this actually. It's a weird thing because like let's I don't know. I created a folder to create all the folders that you want there.
Okay,
create a current project.
This is PowerShell.
This is nushell.
Nushell. How do I create a folder?
MKD, like
okay. Let's say, what do we want to do? What do we want to achieve?
What do you want to do? The thing is this. Like let's concoct like it's something that has to. We will start with derive macros because the other kinds of macros, attribute macros, I haven't done yet. So I have no idea how to get started on those, but derive macros, you basically take a struct and you can manipulate, like from the struct you can generate random code. So
okay.
It could be like a builder pattern.
Okay.
I mean, that's actually like the example that everybody does at first. Like you learn the procedural macro with the builder pattern. I've never done it. I've like started like copy pasting a lot of code and then I ended up like in sort of fortunate place where I sort of was able to make them work. But yeah, the thing is like you basically explain the builder pattern. Like this is
okay. Oh no, a builder pattern. Is you build whatever structure you want to build through calling methods that they return always the builder itself until you call like build at the end and it builds your object. And so in this case, if we want to do it through a derive, I guess is either applying to everything or we want to decide, I don't know, if there is a way to decide which one are the things you want to, well, I guess it's a structure, so it's going to build everything anyway.
Yeah.
So because
but in steps.
One step at a time.
Let's start from the easy thing, like create a crate.
Well, I'm going to do it in a folder. I'm going to call it builder proc.
Okay.
Builder proc, okay. And cargo init, I guess.
-- lib, I think. I always do. I always specify if it's a lib or a bin because I do.
What do I have to do?
Lib. It's lib.
Lib. I like that. Okay.
Okay. Then you wanna edit cargo.toml.
What is this? Okay. It tells you. Okay. Okay. Yes. Like this?
Okay. You want to add like a lib table, like below package.
Okay.
And you want to specify proc-macro equals true. I think, I'm not entirely sure. I should probably go get my laptop and look it up like in the meantime.
Like this, okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me go and fetch my laptop because otherwise In the meantime, it's not like I'm gonna be away for hours.
So how do I save again?
Esc space W in a sequence. Esc escape
Okay.
space W space Q. I remapped
okay.
bit of stuff in order to
instead of the colon.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So like edit the lib file.
There's a lib file. Okay.
Okay. I mean, you can clean up everything with capital V,
Capital.
capital G, D. No, D.
D. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 7 fewer lines. I love it.
Okay, like at this point, like create like a dummy struct like you want it, even like I don't know, complex field.
Let's do struct. Oh my god, syntax error. Yeah, let's carry on with what I've done. Yeah, okay, thank you. So I have a stress on level of stress. Yeah, let's do things complex because you know why not.
Why the heck not?
I'm gonna put a string here and what do I do? Age, unfortunately. I don't know. Just first thing come to my mind. And are three gonna legs? Oh no, sorry.
Yeah.
I can't have more than
256. Yeah, seems good. Also, like this. I mean, do you know about like packing rules for Rust structs?
No.
Okay, basically, like in any struct, like in any language, basically where any language equals C, you have to align the fields of a struct, right? So like you usually align to the word size, which is 64 bits in x64,
Okay.
of course, which means that stress. Stress we will talk about later. String is heap based, so it has like a pointer to somewhere on the heap, so it's gonna be already 8 bits. Then age and legs count, I think they should be like packed in a single U64 word, actually. So, and there's going to be like empty space at the end. So like unless you do hash rep or packed, which you don't want to do like 99% of the cases, you're going to get like aligned to the word. This is an interesting tidbit that doesn't like affect anything really, but it's nice to know, like, especially like when you do like binary protocols for networking and shit.
Let's do.
I'm going into my Elden Ring practice tool because I have a procedural macro in there and I can follow you.
Okay.
Macro param.
This.
See if I'm saying bullshit. Okay, I've already like made a mistake.
Oh no.
no, it's okay. We can do it later.
Let's go. This is it.
This is it. Okay. Now you can save the file, exit, and go edit the cargo.toml again.
What?
If you want to do, you can do WQ. Yeah.
Okay.
You can do edit the cargo.toml.
Oh.
Dot and previous direct.
I don't know what I wrote before.
This stuff here.
Yeah. Okay.
If you need either you can tell me later.
Okay.
Okay. Instead of the dash, it's going to be an underscore procedural macro, proc underscore macro. No.
No.
Wait. No. Reput the dash in. Press esc. R underscore. Okay, you have it. I mean, you can move the cursor.
Okay.
Save, exit, go back to the library. All right, so like let's go back in there and. And now you want to manually like write a builder pattern for this struct manually.
Oh, okay.
Like so that we like sort of realize what we have to do.
Yeah. Very cool. So I didn't know this would have been a interview for Rust.
I mean, it's gonna be useful. Like if someone wants you to interview, you can just link them this thing. Like, yeah, I've already done that. Don't bother me anymore.
I'm definitely not prepared. Okay, so let's say that we have a builder that doesn't get a self. That what it returns is. Will I need a builder itself? Yeah,
yes,
I do.
Yes,
yeah,
absolutely. So you can create, Pmyl builder or something.
Builder.
I guess.
Oh no, I closed it. Okay. Okay, and okay, and this is going to. There are a few things in here that it doesn't do. That are a bit weird for me. I'm so used with my like. If I press left, I would expect it to go to the...
No, I wish.
too easy.
What year do you think this is?
I guess. Oh, okay. So this is gonna be closed. Enter again. No. And okay, so I guess it's gonna be with name. Actually, let's do it weird. Named.
I mean,
No.
Yeah, I mean you can do that, but you will not be able to do that later unless you
true.
want to add like some like I don't know, language analysis in your procedural macro, which I don't think it's going to be like a great idea.
Let's avoid that. Also, why I'm doing this here? I'm so bad. Okay.
If you want to delete the double line, just press D 2 times.
Okay. So if I write hello, SDD. Okay. No pub. Implement Pmyl. For the Pmyl builder, I want to implement something. Okay, so this is gonna be with name, and it's gonna get a. I hope this is right.
Yes, I mean there is something I don't like already, but I mean, I guess you're used to other things. The compiler is telling you that already.
Oh, damn it. I have to tell you, my entire code is written correctly in my personal projects. I just always
you have the camel case bias. Yeah. No, I will learn that. And also, I've learned to mix cases as necessary with Rust. Like I've never done that in other languages. Like in Python, it's all snake case and so on.
So this is gonna be okay. So I guess I want to store it, but not publicly. So it's gonna be name string, I guess. So I would say I can copy the whole thing because I want to store it and then create the struct at the end. Yeah, let's do this.
I mean,
I don't know how to do it.
I have an objection. I mean,
okay,
no, you try.
Because
like the thing is this, like the builder means you start with an empty thing and you end up with something that...
Yes, you are correct, and this forces you to set them.
Not forces, but like there is a very simple way of saying something may be empty or not.
Okay, maybe empty or not. I mean,
yes.
I mean, oh god.
Yeah, exactly.
But still, in here, I would be. Oh, I can create a new static constructor, and then it's gonna set all of them as none, I guess.
Or you can derive default.
Or I can derive default. Yeah, this is something I've never done. Yeah. So, okay, derive default. Okay.
3. Shift 3.
There was a button here.
There
actually.
was years and years ago, but it's not there anymore. Rip everything.
Okay, where does it come from? Oh. Where does it come from? Oh, it doesn't tell me anything?
I mean, why should it? Like,
don't I have to import default from somewhere?
No, it's an auto trait.
Okay. Default. Enter. Okay.
Yeah, but this is like generally how people do it.
Why I press that button?
If you have problem, you can do like ask space F and it will format the file for you. Maybe save it beforehand.
Okay. Space F. Okay, I do remember it. It says stress option of stress. Let me write all of them here.
Yeah. Take your time.
So leg count, because why not? Legs count option of, but yeah, question. Cool. So with name, I guess self dot name.
Yeah.
And semicolon and then self.
Oh, so maybe okay. Go ahead. Sorry.
No.
Yes and no.
Oh no.
The compiler will tell you.
I guess. No, because
I mean,
this is interesting. It depends also what kind of builder you want to create.
Yeah, like as in.
Because there's a.
I mean, I haven't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you are correct. I'm doing the bad thing here. I have to create, I guess, a new Pmyl builder.
Do you need to? I mean, yeah. Okay, I get what you mean. Like you could.
You can create the
like if you want the use case where you take a builder and clone it.
Yeah.
But then, like, I think that this is not the right place to do it.
Okay, let's see.
Meaning, if you want to derive clone on the builder, I think you can, like, usually. But then, like, sorry, go on.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I was thinking. So this is gonna tell me. So since I'm not expert in this, let's do it. I'm gonna save it.
Space W or colon W.
W. I don't wanna exit. I want to go here. I guess.
Yeah.
CD. What's in here? Oh, did I call it? Oh, easy. And I do cargo build.
You could go check.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
has to return.
Okay.
I guess it's gonna return this.
Yeah, I could, but I mean, thing is that you stop using it at that point. Like with a constant reference, you seal it, you cannot change it anymore.
Oh no. Let me talk to the
manager. The cargo check, by the way. It's hey John, good morning. How you doing? The chat is here.
Oh, hello. Okay, so first thing, first line.
Okay, I mean these are like related to the proc macro. I'm doing fine, thank you, John. How's your day?
Okay, talk with proc macro. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, because. Oh.
I mean, if you want. No, it's okay. I mean, it's still gonna complain because it doesn't. Nothing is exported. Like you only have to export like a procedural macro. Like procedural macros are weird.
Yeah.
Weird. Let's get up almost 4. It's time for breakfast.
Almost 4. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna complain about something else, but
no, nothing. We don't need to have like. I mean, we have stuff that's not read, and it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, we don't really care about it. I mean, this is syntactically correct, but like try to make write a test.
Yes. Okay. Oh no, this is something I always copy pasted. How do I create a new
CFG test in like, hashtag
okay, so
YOLO, hashtag swag, hashtag CFG test.
Wait, okay. This.
Square brackets.
This.
CFG test.
Test in the parentheses or?
In the parentheses.
Okay. Test like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mod tests.
Mod tests, and then maybe test. Okay. So
import everything from super, because otherwise you're not
import like this.
Yeah, almost. Like the right part is right, the left part is
wrong. Oh no!
I got wrong.
Use
instead of import.
Oh my god!
These are spoilers. I'm not gonna.
No. Sorry. Since you said import, my brain didn't even realize that it was
same actually. Like I was about to write the same thing.
So
like define a new test.
How do I? Oh no, that's public, so I can test it.
Test
so
builder.
Builder with name set name. Okay, it takes a while. Obviously it doesn't take a while because it's probably waiting for me to do other things when I open close parentheses.
You haven't marked the test as a test though. I mean, this is more a syntactical thing, not real test. We're not really testing anything yet. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, so I as I said, I copy paste all the tests. I do not write a lot of tests, but I copy paste all these things. Never wrote them manually. So this is gonna be builder. Actually, let's do Pmyl builder and I'm so used to write with things that help me because what I write is like Pmyl builder and then I write set into variable and then it creates the variable itself and I just have to set the name.
Oh, nice.
That's what
I mean, that's probably something I haven't configured it because it's all manual in this world. So like unless I bump into something, I have no idea that it exists.
It is because my brain works in, okay, I need to create this and then do I assign to a variable or I use it directly? And then if I assign to a variable, I just press the button and just assign. That's how I work.
I mean, that's probably something I will need to check it out.
Build though with name, I guess, and then I set. Oh no, set string from.
This is not Python or JavaScript.
Oh no.
You use the single. I use a single.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my god. This is slightly different though, because I'm pretty sure in the English standard one this is it's a quote.
No, this is the
Italian one, but I'm pretty sure in the English one as well. Okay, with name and then let's do a very simple thing. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna check for mutability and that's it. So I say builder dot assert equal press tab.
Control N, I think, or down enter. Yeah.
I enter. Do I make assumptions? Let's not make assumptions. Assert the name dot name. My brain. I want to assert that
it's equal to sum.
Is sum.
Yeah.
Okay. First thing. Second thing.
We don't even really like.
It's just so if it's not sum for some reason it fails there for me. But yeah, it's name. Is it this one?
You could just like do remove that. You can do like equal to sum of a new string.
Oh, okay.
I love among the various reasons I love Rust is because like you can have the decomposition of everything absolutely in the world.
And like this.
I think you miss parentheses there.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, save it.
Okay.
You're gonna go there, go cargo check -- all targets. Otherwise, like in one test, you check the test. All the dash targets. Sorry. Alright. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Cannot. Okay.
I mean, I'm just like installed the nightly of rationalizer, so it's probably not saying things to me. And also, like sometimes it doesn't like check for tests, and still have to understand how to configure it. Okay.
Okay.
What did you do? Okay, there. Okay, but like let's say like, let's add a method to that.
Okay.
Or rather, let's try to change the name in the builder.
I want to try and see what happens.
Go ahead. This is your process.
Running one test, running 0 test. Oh, no, one passed. Okay, and then doc tests. Oh.
Yeah, we don't have doc
Oh, because
tests,
we are in no. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, I haven't like really paid attention if doc tests do anything.
So
I'm gonna drink some water.
Let's.
I hope that audio is correct. Nice.
Now you have to tell me.
Okay.
How do I copy the entire function so that I can create another test?
Okay. Capital V. I. Weirdly parentheses.
Okay.
Y. Go down a bit. Shift O. Oh, actually O, normal O.
Okay.
XP.
Okay. Now I have
Shift
to.
O to like open on the same line, and
Okay.
I can create
I have
another
to
test.
surround it. Builder with name twice. Set last name.
This is like already like much more testing than I'm used to do. Like usually I just immediately go and like for the throat and do like integration test of everything. This thing does the thing test. This thing does the thing that I wanted to do. Period. I think we're gonna find something here already.
1, 2, and that's it. Okay. Okay. Pmyl last, so it should be equal to Pmyl last, and let's see what it tells me that is wrong. All targets cannot borrow me.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Give me a second. Probably I don't know.
All the time that you want.
I probably do not know, but okay. So I got this here as a mutable self because I guess I needed to mutate it.
Yeah, absolutely, you need to.
I don't want to go and do some magic things where I don't get it as mutable, but then I use mutex and then whatever, I guess.
Yeah,
let's not go there. Do I have to change something here? Can I say that I returned the mutable reference?
Of course you can.
Okay, I've never done it. Oh no, I broke everything. Okay, I've never brought this. I've never wrote a builder, so. Okay, let's see if this does something to it. Cargo check. Cargo, yay. All targets. Oh no. No records, don't know what I've done. Okay. Cargo check. Dash.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Yeah, I think this is actually okay. I was going to say, like, since you're probably not going to reuse the builder, I will just have removed the references and consumed that I can move the value. But I guess it's fine. I mean, it's actually more like flexible this way. Although, I mean, the borrow checker is going to help you in case you do something wrong.
I guess the thing is when it depends what we want to do.
Yeah.
Because let's think about what I was saying before.
What are some use cases where you may need?
You know, like basically you create a builder, but then you create like a base builder, a template builder with things that are already there, and then it can be reused to just add the last things.
Yeah.
And with that, I guess you would need to be. It's the same. You don't want to consume it in the case.
I mean, the thing about that is like you have a mutable reference, but if you pass a mutable reference, you're going to modify that instance.
Yes. No. Obviously. Yeah. I was thinking. You need to.
I mean, if you want it, yeah, exactly. You need to clone it.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, it's fine. It's meant to be that way.
Let's say let's consume it. I guess this is the way to do it.
I mean, you don't need to be mutable to return, because mutability is like a responsibility of whoever uses it.
So this one as well?
No, this is fine. This has to be mutable.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
You should like work
what this says. Let's do a calco test. Yeah, obviously.
You have to bind it to something.
Have to do. I have to do. Can I do this?
I mean, you have to bind it again. So let builder. You can overwrite it easily. Like I like when I'm done with things, I rename the same thing.
Okay. This is literally new for me. Like just not used to reuse the same name. Okay.
Works. Then like if you want a clone, you should just derive clone.
Yeah. You know what? Let's do it. And this has to be imported though. No,
not I.
Why does it tell me to do it then? Why my version is weird?
I don't know.
When I try to run it, it says cannot find clone in the.
That's fucking weird. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it could be the JetBrains thing that does it. I don't know much about it.
I'm going to check when I'm okay. So with age set age. Oh, I closed it and okay. So if I'm trying to understand something, how to do it a bit faster. So. Okay.
I mean,
I guess I do this. Enter, and then I don't know.
You could go like if you want to copy the stuff, you can just go up, escape, V I bracket I brackets, one bracket, yeah, Y
for copy, and then Y again.
Capital P.
Capital P. Oh.
Yeah, like the mnemonics are these. V is like select mode. I in the brackets is the select inside the brackets. Yank, which means copy, and P and paste.
So I know this seems stupid, but
no, it's.
They do age here. And then this is some age here. And
if you want to like, stop right there, like stop like where is string, go to select like vi open parenthesis. No, the normal
too much. Okay, ask. Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Okay, vi open parenthesis x or c, and you can change it. I and write the number 33.
Well, 33. I put 33. Okay. So obviously this is gonna say, oh no, you don't have that. So
into 17 bits.
it's smaller, so sometimes I just go a bit too far.
Yeah, that happens to me as well. Like this is even smaller, so it's sort of okay.
Okay, I guess. Blah, blah. No.
What does it say? Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Weird because like it seems like it could be simply even copy as well. I don't know why it's not auto-implemented for cases like this.
This is something that I was thinking the other day, and that there probably are a reason for it.
It's probably going to be represented as a U8 since it has only 2 discriminants and no values in the enum, so like the representation is going to be a single byte.
Okay.
But I guess you have to be explicit about it. I don't know if it's. It would probably just be a tiny, on one hand, like a tiny, like quality of life improvement, but also it makes it a bit muddier. So like, if you want to be explicit, let's be explicit. I guess.
Let's do something.
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, it takes ages. So let's do stress here instead of age, and I'm gonna change the test as well. And then we can reuse the tests to use the procedural created builder, I guess.
Okay.
No, I deleted too much. 1, 2, 3, stress. I can't write stress.
Same.
So
do this. Shift V. Down various times. Select all the lines. Go down.
Oh, I don't want to.
You want to replace age with stress? Okay, go down. I have more like in the okay. Colon. S slash age slash stress. There we go. You have to change it.
There's So I've seen many people using this thing where the line on the left, it tells you the line you are in, so 63, but then it doesn't tell you the other number of lines.
You can go down like what line do you want to go to?
Let's say 14 up.
14 up, okay. Escape. 1-4. K.
Okay. So this is because it helps you. Because you wouldn't have, like, if you have big files, you would have to write more numbers and it'd be more difficult, I guess.
Yeah, it's just like because you can see it immediately how many lines you can go up and down instead of going in an absolute spot. It's been really useful for me so far.
Yeah, I'm thinking more of a collaboration bit. It would be difficult for me to tell you which line I want you to go.
Oh, okay.
Because if you while I'm talking, you just write and do things, the line number change.
Okay, if you can see the number, that's true. But I'm a lone wolf, so I don't do that.
Yeah. Oh god, cannot be formatted.
Yeah, you have to derive the bug. I'm gonna spoil you this.
Interesting. So the assert uses the bug. Is the assert?
Yeah, it's the assert. I've read like the guidelines for API, and they say like you should like implement this like array of huge derives on all of your structs. Because it didn't change. It's the number.
Oh my god, yes. Stress. Stress. Okay. Stress low. I guess.
Mr. Colon.
Stress low. Is because I said dot, so it's just one.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh no. Okay, has to implement partial EQ.
Okay, yeah, this is among the things that you have to derive.
Oh no, so used to press tab. No, it's the insert.
Great.
Why do I have so many spaces here? Okay, so this is the builder. I'm gonna remove also.
Yeah, you can take those.
DD.
So that fills out, we don't need it. I mean, the nice thing about the derive macro is actually like not doing all this shit by hand.
Yes, yeah. But I wanted to, my plan is I wrote the tests, then I basically replace, I don't replace anything, I just replace whatever returns.
Yeah, like all this like, let's say everything since the stress on.
I guess, yeah, yes. From this one, from 27 up.
Actually, we are missing something.
Okay.
On the builder, like we don't get the actual.
Yes, I'm a genius. How do I copy this sort of thing? So if I do
Shift
V, and then I do down. Y, and then Shift P.
Or P. Okay, Shift P like paste upwards, and P like from the line downwards. Escape.
Haha. Okay. I tried to learn it once, and
you're doing like pretty well. I consider you're not too unproductive, like not more unproductive than I am.
Create Pmyl. Create stra. Oh my god!
Builder builds.
I love it. Yes, builds. My brain doesn't work. Okay, so dot with name as well, and the name is string from this one, and then I want to do, you know what, build.
Guess I would rename the struct there.
Yes.
Escape 0.
Okay.
The dollar sign is for the opposite.
Dollar sign. Okay, here. Assert. I don't want you. I want. I'm stupid. Is summoner. That doesn't make any sense because we yeah. Okay, so full. How do I duplicate line?
YYP. I say YYP because it's fast as that.
Okay. So instead of build,
you wanna change it. Oh wait a sec. You wanna change both lines that do control. You go to the first B, control V.
Control V.
Go to the end of the word. Code W. Actually E. Sorry. Arrow down. C. Write the name. Pmyl.
This is Pmyl here.
Escape.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's very useful.
And then this is for the stress and it's fine, and this is for the name, and it should be a string from. Okay. I save just because I'm.
Yeah, I save all the time. I spam save.
Also, I like to see, even if it's stupid, I like to see it failing. And no.
Yeah.
And nothing else. And this returning Pmyl. Wow. And no. Okay. And this is gonna be name. Oh god. Is it with the colon?
Colon.
Okay.
It's not the Pmyl.
Stress self dot. Yeah.
I mean, maybe.
But I like the big boss to tell me what I'm doing wrong. So self name is expected. Yes, I'm so bad.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Okay, I don't want to make assumptions. Do we return a result of Pmyl error or?
Yeah, I mean, if you want, or like an option, like we don't need to be like production ready or anything.
That's just an option that we assume that is if none is an error. Oh wow, how do you do this in a procedural? Well, what I will do here is a very, very, very stupid thing, like very basic. Oh god, how do you write an if? No parentheses.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't do it this way.
Okay.
You want a hint?
No.
Okay.
No. I have it. Question mark. No.
Yes.
Is it question mark
Yes,
for options as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Let me see what it says. Only the assertion? No. Expected enum yeah, obviously I have to return a sum of me. I'm a bit slow, but I am getting there. Okay, seems like this is the error, so this is cool. I think no field. Yeah, okay. Okay.
I mean, it's an option, so you want to unwrap it only.
Yeah.
I would unwrap it like straight after the build, since like, I mean, it will panic in tests, but it will equal like $1. Yes.
Okay. How do I chop it? Is there a way to chop this because it's too long for me now?
Okay, escape, save, space W.
Okay.
Space F.
Okay, perfect.
I want to resave it again because it's.
So I guess this one, expected enum stress from found option. Now it's not an option anymore.
Like peace was never an option.
Peace was never an option.
I don't even know what that quote is from. Let me Google it.
It works, so cool. We have everything, more or less. We didn't test that. It returns. Actually, I want to do it very fast while you search for that. So it was Shift V. Y, I guess. And then in here, without going in, I is like O for a new line. Okay, cool. And then P. Maybe it was better P. No, brown. More or less. So build without all fields, none.
AMP, good morning. To do Zen screen exactly. Bonus day.
And then this is, I don't want to unwrap it now. Let's do this and
escape, Shift A.
Shift A, okay. Semicolon here and then do assert with the exclamation mark.
There is a boot. Yeah. Yeah, it's not.
Okay, it doesn't help me, so I go scared for a second. And Control S.
You wish.
Okay, perfect.
We have it. I mean, those tests are going to get nuked soon, but I mean, nuked, at least we commented them out. But I mean, yeah,
really, because we could use them for the next.
Yeah, absolutely. But I mean, we will have to move them to an example because like you can create, like if you create an example folder and you put crates in there, you can like do example of usage, and you can put this in there too.
Okay. How?
Okay. Create examples folder. Okay. Vi examples / example.rs. Then you can like basically copy and paste everything that you have on there.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, GG. Capital V, capital G, Y, go to the
Oh God.
and P. Okay. You can save.
And
Okay.
it doesn't
Okay, you go to the end. New line, create an empty main function. Fn main, which does nothing. We are going to just use this to expand, really. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you have to save, otherwise you won't.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Times.
So what we needed to create main just because.
Yeah, because it's an example. I mean, I haven't like checked if I can do it in tests yet.
Okay.
But maybe we can. I mean, and we can just rename the folder to tests.
Okay. So did I save this? And then I close it.
Yeah. Let's check if it works. I mean, let me check actually. Let me Google it. Can I tests procedural?
It found 5 tests.
Okay, this is good.
So
maybe because you haven't deleted anything from
because
there.
because I'm a genius. Okay. GG.
Okay, you can.
That's the extent of my brain memory. Is GG.
GG. Capital V, capital G. X.
Okay.
Okay, save everything. All the hard work gone completely.
Zero
tests. But what you can do is just move the examples folder to a test folder.
Okay, so MV.
See, yeah, examples, tests. Enter. You have to remove the main. I mean, you can do it later.
Okay. Let's see if this
works. Okay. Then we have no problems.
I can do this.
Sorry.
Because I'm so bad. I guess it's not gonna save it, create it.
Yeah, it is in tests.
Okay.
Yeah. Tests.
Okay. No. Yeah.
Easy.
Tests. And then
you remove the main, and that's it. You can also remove the CFG tests and the whole more. Like you can delete these 2 lines, and instead of use super, use builder proc. You can put it in at the top.
Okay, I'm gonna remove this, and then what do here?
Yeah. Use
use
builder underscore proc. No, not mod.
Proc. Okay.
Colon everything. Okay, save.
Okay.
I don't know what's going to happen here. Like, I mean,
save, and then also I want to format.
Okay, it should have worked.
Okay, and save again.
Okay,
let's see. Yeah, it did.
Great. All right. I mean, if you want to have, I mean, no, keep it. We're gonna have comments in here. Okay, now we start with the. But okay, maybe you want to have it anyway to read the code, so you can open it for now. Open it back, yeah. So you can check what you have to do.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now the fun starts. Okay. Procedural macros. What are procedural macros? Procedural macros. Basically, like you have an input. You have like the straight tokens coming from Rust, probably like raw tokens, like exactly the ones that the compiler is going to see, like in its AST. And then you want to output those tokens like directly. Like the way you do it, you first have to like add this crate, so you can exit or like do it in a console or something. Cargo add.
Go add.
Proc dash macro 2. I don't know why 2. Then quote. Okay. Then enter. Start adding those.
So.
And then also cargo add syn syn. Okay, enter. And then you have to like add these two features to the cargo.toml.
Okay, so this is my cargo. I press tab as always.
Yeah, tab, do twice tab.
Oh, tab.
Enter.
Okay.
It's a new thing, a new shell. That doesn't like, I don't like it too much either.
Always. No. Stop doing what I told you to do. No equals. And this is features.
Full and extra dash traits. I'm gonna get shell to them.
Extra traits. Okay. There's saved. No. I guess. How do I?
Cargo check. I mean, I didn't not really checking anything there, just to see if it doesn't complain. Yeah, so it's gotten them.
Are these things from Rust itself?
No, they are like third-party crates, but I don't. Yeah, this is a nice question. I don't have an idea. What I hear.
Oh.
Good morning. Yeah, no, I don't know. I think David Tolnay made this, or like at least a few of these. But yeah, I don't know much about. Like, and the thing is, like, differently from the rest of the ecosystems, like procedural macros are very, very under documented.
Okay.
What the fuck is this? All right. Okay. So like
some legwork.
Yeah. Just import everything from proc macro, quote, and scene.
Macro.
Not two for some reason. A star. Quote everything.
Quote.
Those were actually quotes, by the way.
I pressed. I didn't want to.
And scene.
Scene. And
okay.
Punishment. Let's go.
Okay. This you just have to know. Like you have to hashtag proc macro derive. Okay, and then you call it, I don't know, my builder.
Okay, good. So.
And that's it. Okay, ignore this one, is because it's something mine. Okay. This is going to be a public function. You name it, I don't know, my builder or something. Its name is not going to matter actually, it's just syntax. It's going to take a token stream as an input. You call it T or token stream, how you want to.
TS. To be different.
It's a token stream.
Token stream like this, I guess.
Okay, yeah, and also returns a token stream. Okay.
Is it from bridge server token stream, I guess?
Huh?
I don't know why I imported it from there.
Yeah, no, doesn't make sense. You can remove it.
Probably imported like an internal thing.
Yeah, it's maybe because like when like the language server just lists you the possible imports and.
Okay.
If you want to go to the end line from wherever in the line, you can just press O. Joe, by the way, Giulio is able to exit Vim. Show Joe how you exit Vim.
Look at this.
It's the highest like levels of software engineering. Look at this. You can do it again. Like you can open the file and exit again.
Oh no, I'm stuck. No, okay.
Okay, see, like we are like already like industry, like top of the industry levels. Okay. Now we're gonna have fun. Oh shit, this is gonna be bad. Okay, so yes, yeah, this is a thing. This can work. Definitely.
I just don't want that to give me
an error. Yeah, get used to it. It's gonna be bad
no.
for quite a while.
Oh no.
Cool. Okay. All right. Now you open the browser, and you go to the. Open the documentation for proc macro, quote, and scene in 3 different tabs.
Rust docs quote. Let's write this. Oh no, I went from Google.
Yeah.
Okay. Quote. Okay. And then this is
proc macro.
Proc macro or not proc macro too?
I don't know. We can do both, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. I have no idea how to start with this. Okay, like for some reason, like you need this, like to parse, like go to the code first.
This one. Parse.
You create like a binding, call it input or something. Parse macro. It's parse macro input. And it's T as drive input. T as
drive input.
Okay, because basically this means that one is going to be the data structure that contains, the drive input. Because the token stream can be anything. It could be, I don't know, it could be like a function, it could be like tests, could be whatever. Like we know that this is a derive macro, so we can cast that token stream as a derive input, so that it will give us what's needed for the derive, right? Mm-hmm. The derive, what does it do? Like basically, derive gives you just a token stream of your struct. So you have to do assumptions. You have to panic a lot with procedural macros.
Okay.
It won't replace it, like because in other procedural macros you can replace the whole token stream.
Okay.
In this case, it won't replace it, but you use that as an input to produce other tokens that get added.
Right.
So basically, you have your struct that's going to be like exactly like that. Because otherwise, imagine like it would be insane if you put it there and like if you have two derived macros, right? You have let's say clone in your macro. If you have to put it back again, you will have two copies of your struct. So like the system does this for you. You're only allowed in derived macros to add the code.
Yeah. So you don't modify. Also, it means that the order is never important for the derives.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Then I have no idea what's in that. What type of variable is that input and so on. I mean, I don't know if it's debug. Try and print it.
Okay.
Like with the
with the
I have
it.
I would add the hashtag between the colon and.
Okay, I don't have it then.
Because this is pretty print stiff for you. I don't even know if this works. Let's try.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
I missed it. Can I go from here?
Yeah, you can. So people are not gonna see, but I mean, yeah. Let's see what happens first. Okay. If you want to like have an empty output, to do quote exclamation mark, open and close the bracket.
Oh wait, okay.
Delete the line.
Quote.
No, quote the macro. Quote macro.
Because I'm a genius.
No, the brackets. Not the curly braces. I have no idea how the fuck they are called.
Sorry, yeah.
No, don't worry. Close it and that's it. Basically, what the quote macro does is that it sort of interpolates, because like the thing is that the tokens are fucking weird. Like they're like bestial structs. It's so complicated. Like you will see it in a bit. But what quote does is just creates. Like interpolates things, like you give it like some sort of Rust code with stuff intermingled in them. We will see that, and it gives you back a token stream, which is like a very complex data structure actually. Okay. So it's sort of a parser. See what happens there.
Ambiguous name.
Use a unstable library macro quote. What the fuck?
Oh, proc macro has quote inside and it doesn't.
Okay, so from proc macro only import token streams, since that's all we're gonna use.
I guess
it should work now. Token stream, okay, do that dot into. Don't ask me why, I do not know. It should be fine.
Oh.
Okay. Now if you want, Go here.
Okay.
Comment like the builder part. Like from here to
okay.
What the way you do is Control V. Go down, down until everything.
Oh, okay.
Capital I, / space. Escape. No, escape.
I did something wrong. Escape, not enter. I broke
Okay,
it.
if I do you.
You?
Okay.
Okay.
Control V again. Go select everything. Capital I, / space. Escape.
Okay.
You can save it now. I mean, I don't know. The test will probably fail.
Yeah, but it shouldn't matter because we don't. This doesn't care about the
but
test.
now you want to do cargo expand -- tests. I mean, not yet. Do something. Hide the test for now as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Control
Control
V.
V down. I.
/ capital I and
Capital I.
It's not working. What the fuck?
No, because I. Okay. It just doesn't like me. That's how it is.
Okay, save it. Go upwards and derive from there. My builder. Okay, this is like what your output code is going to look like. This is like your usage finally.
Okay.
Try and cargo expand -- tests.
Am I in the right?
Yes. You just do cargo expand, see what happens. Okay.
Okay.
Go upwards. Okay, no, this is going to expand your. This is why I made it into the examples. Okay, so let's go back to there. Create like an example folder. You just start by copying this part.
Okay, wait. We have. Oh, okay. We have to go in.
mkdir examples. You do example.rs.
By example x.
Okay, you just copy these parts here.
Capital V down.
Y.
Yank and then P, and then I want to remove this.
Okay, you can save it. Now you can go and do keep that open since we are it's small enough that it's going to fit in there.
So close this.
Do cargo expand -- examples. Example. You have to pass the name of the example, which is example.
Examples.
No, only example, I think.
Oh god.
I have no idea. I mean, we can try.
Okay, so I want the example. There exists in the folder examples, and it's got example. Okay.
Okay, because you have. I mean, you could do this comment out the derives for clone, debug, and partial equivalence for now.
Yes. Okay.
We want to see the raw output. Okay, the raw output is this one. Okay. It's very simple actually.
Nothing happening.
Nothing happening, which is okay so far. I will give you a simple example. Go inside quote and create some random Rust code. Create a function that prints I am a meme.
Nothing. You know what? No. I am a meme.
Okay.
Now
we expand
do it again.
Unfortunately, it's a bit see. It created it added to the stuff you had. You added this function right after, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we don't this is it. We can basically, if you sort of got where we are going with this, you're just going to use the input. You're going to scan it and like glean information from it and like react as a consequence.
So I guess the first thing I can do is to really create my builder.
Yeah.
But I want to know the name, so I can do let's basically do what we did before. We create the struct builder.
Yeah.
Struct builder is called the name of the struct plus builder.
Yeah.
How do I access that?
Exactly. This is nice. Like look at this one. You can do a hashtag and an identifier. This identifier you have to create before. Like you create.
Okay. We pretty printed it anyway.
Okay, this is great.
So there's a oh. Interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's the identifier, then the identifier.
See that there's like a whole lot of shit in
things.
here, and basically what you have to do is you have to decompose this giant struct and have it do whatever you want. Builder name, I guess I would call it.
Builder name. So what if I do like this? How much do you hate me if I do this?
0 because that's exactly the way you do it.
Okay, builder, and then comma, and here I put input dot. I mean, I'm just randomly spitting out things.
Yeah, this is. I think this is good. I think you have to wrap it into another type. Let me check it out. Okay, you just have to create a new ident. So you create ident new, like this.
Okay. Because you can also only interpolate identifiers.
Yeah,
as
exactly.
identifiers. Okay.
You want to have like actual token data types, and you have to add this thing which I don't know what it is, which is going to be input.ident like as a second parameter.
Yep.
You have a colon in there, which is going to be annoying.
I have
input.ident.span.
Sorry, I just. Oh no. This
Escape
is like. Okay. Cool.
It already puts it in the right space. Input.ident.span. I don't know exactly what this concept is, so if you want to look it up in the documentation. And yeah, okay. You call it. If you want to go in the documentation and see what it is.
Was it this one?
Yeah.
This one.
And it is, I think, I don't even know if it's seen or search for span. Okay, span.
Span. The region of source code along with macro expansion information.
Yeah, it's probably internals.
Oh, okay. So interesting. Why would I need it? Oh god. This.
I don't know. I don't need it. Probably the compiler does.
I have an idea.
Go on.
Actually, let's see it working. And then I want to try it. And then I do hash builder name. And then I open parentheses, close parentheses.
Okay.
And then I try to do this. It doesn't work, obviously, because I wrote a stupid thing. No, it's so bad.
No, it was actually okay. I mean, it's expected a string and expected str and got a string, so you just.
Sorry, I read this first and I said unknown field.
Okay, this is probably. Yeah. I'm ready.
Because this is fine. This is to string and I'm okay.
Okay, no, you just need one. You just don't need the ident because I think X.
X. Yeah.
I think it's going to have a display implementation. So. Okay. Expect the str. Okay.
Oh my god, I wrote to string.
You can. I think you can avoid it. Oh. Okay, you don't need. Okay, no, you don't need this because this is another thing. This is the beautiful hack library which like converts cases. So this is like this that you can see here is not a string object, but it's a hack object. So I think you can remove SSTR and just put an ampersand in front, so you have the reference of it. Took me a while to notice it as well. All right, should work now.
Oh.
See, like you've already.
Let's go.
We can go home, pack it up.
I want to see
if there's new span. Okay.
Yeah. Because
I don't even know if it's like correct to return that kind of span.
Is there a way to ask him how many inputs this needs?
It should escape, Control H.
Control H.
No, in the parentheses, like you. Okay.
Like this.
Or maybe space H. I don't remember. Okay.
Oh, okay. It wants a string. Why do you want to create a new ident with a given string?
Oh no, because sorry.
Oh, because I'm inside ident, obviously.
Maybe there is no function.
Okay.
No. You should probably go in the documentation.
Yeah. Okay.
Span. Well, how do I see? It's like it's never created. I mean, I don't even know what it does, honestly. Clone.
Join left side. Okay.
Maybe maybe it's a parent thing. Let's say maybe you have to use the parents. Span. I don't know. It's not really that well documented, so I'm not sure about it.
No signature. You show me the signature before though.
This is parent still.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want a span. Not that span currently in Rust C configures the hygiene information for this identifier. Okay. Nothing really. How do I go back?
To Pmyl.
Too much. Okay. No. Okay. Cool. This is nice. We've done things.
Okay. We are at the point. Okay. What's next?
Now I have to like iterate through
the
fields. What are the fields?
Okay, try.
So there's a data.
Yeah.
Data struct and then there's fields. Obviously, how do I iterate in quotes since I am writing? So it's going to be like for or whatever.
It's going to work like this. These are the right macros as well, so I can reference that for you. Where the hell did I put it? I think you do something with it's like a regular macro. Like you would do this. You actually don't necessarily have to do that here because I don't think you can do it. You can create like an array of
item.
not identifier but blocks of code.
Yeah.
You can nest quotes. Like see, like I just create a quote and then I put it in.
Okay.
I create like a vector of let's say AST nodes.
Let's do one.
Okay, let's do one.
So this is gonna be first method. I don't know.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be, I guess, quote.
Actually, before the methods, I would like create the structure. Like this is probably simpler. You create the.
Yeah, I'm stupid. Yes, first. Field.
Okay, so here, what you have to do? Take a type name, like the field name, the type name, and you wrap into an option.
Okay, so this has to be a quote.
Yeah.
And in here, I can. No, I just need the name.
Yeah. You get it from the data field there. So the data field contains.
Put. No. I have to put it here first.
Yeah.
Let first field name equals input dot. So okay, so we have data, the struct, the contains, no, the contains. Oh, is an input.
Yeah, exactly.
Do I
You match.
make assumptions? No.
I mean, you make also, like, the thing is, in procedural macros, you are encouraged to like panic in embarrassing ways. So you go ahead, like, I don't like this, panic, and so on.
Data, no, is struct.
I mean, the panic that you do in here, like, is not okay, it's going to end the world and waste all my money on AWS, but it's just simply going to be, okay, I'm not compiling. So, like, it's actually, like, I don't know, like, for sure, if it's encouraged for you to panic, but
Okay.
it probably is. Like, the way I do it is just make my procedural macros panic all over the place.
Oh no, do I have to do it again? Okay, let's open.
There is a syntax error.
There is a syntax error because I don't remember how to write things.
I mean, it's one character.
Match.
This because I'm too short.
Oh my god, why I don't remember how to...
Yeah, I mean, you got the right idea, just like the wrong syntax. Yeah.
Is this with this?
Yeah.
Okay, oh my god. Okay, so I will do... Let's
Panic, deb on them haters. This is what I would write in production.
What were you write, sorry?
Dab on them haters. This.
Okay, let's do it.
The highly professional, like, decade of professional experience led me to, like, believe that that's the actually current best practice.
And in here we want to do, I think, and okay. In here we have data that is
data struct
that has fields, I guess, but fields is named.
Yeah, I enjoy.
So we have match again, I guess is match again, and in here is, so if he's named,
I don't know if there are other like discriminator in that, which are those, like, let me check. Racing doc.
Oh, something went wrong. Okay, cool. And inside we have field.
Oh, okay. I see the point. Like, it has like the field struct has a named and an unnamed.
Oh, okay.
And then a unit discriminants. Like, named are of course in a struct. Unnamed, where you have like you know, the tuple initializer in structs, and unit where you don't have anything. Like, you have an empty struct.
Okay.
Like,
okay,
if you do struct builder
and that's it, semicolon.
Exactly.
I want to do something, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
I just see we're gonna do it.
Yeah, I think it's. I mean, you could. No, okay. I don't want to make macros inside the macro.
Yeah, I was thinking the same, but then I said
Maybe
no.
not.
Okay. Anyway, panic is gonna panic. Obviously, it's not gonna tell me probably precisely where, but
I mean, it should, because you still get like
the whole
the backtrace.
Okay, so we dub when
We dub whenever the user doesn't know what we want, and this is dub-driven development.
I have field. It's actually not true. This is not a field. These are fields.
Yeah.
Fields. And this is a list of fields.
which has a
and then I
named
get
field.
named, and I want to get the first.
Yeah, it's not gonna dub, but it's gonna panic. It's fine for me. I mean, it's you can like be professional all the time.
Interesting. Identifier is a sum. I probably just don't care. And
What is it?
Is a sum here.
Okay. Can I wrap? Yeah.
So I am wrap and then get Eden. No. This is it.
This is it. Okay.
And
you wanna yeah, you have it.
So now I would do, oh my god, no, this is, because this is the specific identifier, I want to create a new one.
You missed the column.
This one? What did I miss?
No, nothing.
Okay.
You're golden.
First field name. Actually, this is, oh my god, let's not care about names right now, because I don't really know what I'm doing. And this is, no, maybe I don't want to create a new one. I was thinking.
Yeah, I mean,
probably can reuse this anyway. So in here, if I write hash first field
name, yeah, it's gonna work.
Name.
I think it's gonna work. I mean,
and then I write like this. I just write column, and then this is magically a string now.
String, yeah.
No.
Vim has gotten to you.
Did I say? Probably. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. And undeclared struct here. And
I think it's in scene actually.
Okay.
Where the hell? If you want to do it not in Vim but in my setup, you go to, where is it? Called struct. Go to struct, save first of all. Highlight struct and do space A.
How do
it should ask you like it's
this?
code actions.
What do I do? Sorry.
Space A. In token struct. Right. Okay. Yeah. You can import the first one. One enter. The hell?
It didn't. Sorry.
Didn't work.
Did I press? Put it at the top.
Yeah, it should be at the top. I mean, try to run it again. I don't know what.
I
think it's like going kind of insane. Do colony in the editor. Just reload the server.
How do I do it?
Colon E. Enter. Nice. Okay.
I broke it.
Enter. No, it broke itself. It's been happening to me as well in these past few days. I don't know what it does. I mean, yeah. Let's ignore that. If you close it and reopen, like. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Probably. Oh, I had to.
Okay. Now it's working magically. I go to struct. Space A again. I import the first one.
Didn't I import already?
Yeah, so okay, press Q. Save.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Close Vim and reopen it. Show the true powers of experienced software engineering.
Oh no. Bye.
So
this. Oh god. Press tab. Okay.
Okay. We are back on track.
Let's go. Named.
Okay, maybe you have to remove that one. The hell? It probably it's in the root of a scene and it's getting shadow.
Oh, okay.
Save again.
Okay.
Just try to recompile it again. Maybe something changed.
Let's do this.
What the hell? Okay, I don't.
Where can struct this?
Oh, because it's okay. It's data : struct.
Okay. Sorry. Did I see it here? No.
No, yeah,
Okay.
you didn't. It's like this, because it's an enum with the so open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this makes sense. It makes sense for it to not be available.
So now we save so he understands what is happening.
Yeah, colony to reload. Sometimes it gets a bit mad.
Okay. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Oh.
Okay, there's stuff happening. Yeah, we missed the.
Ignore me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, I did it like even more in depth. Like
because oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay.
So you can like sort of
Yeah.
switch the double match.
Okay, I'm gonna do. I promise I'm gonna make it good.
Yeah, in this case, like this is the wrong period of time where every part of the code looks like shit and then all magically resolves.
So this is that contains fields. There is a
Fields named. And you want the colon. Fields colon named.
Okay, so it's not name fields named and then
fields.
Fields. Let me close it.
You can put a lot of tokens there.
What? Sorry. Oh.
No, you've added a bunch of stuff. Like the arrow there. You have to first close all the match.
Okay.
I will give you time.
Just. I'm going to do it. Okay.
You don't need. You can only dub once. Yodo.
Okay. Copied both. It's fine. And I don't want this. Don't want this. Okay. First thing. So this says this blah blah blah.
You left a bit of stuff open.
Okay, what about this is wrong.
This is sort of right, but it's. I mean, you're like one step away from the solution.
Oh my god. I don't know how to write it. What if I open this?
No, this was okay. Feels okay. Now what you are missing is that you haven't like closed the go before the arrow. Press enter a few times. Look at what's behind, be above it. Redo the correct match. You're just missing a couple of parentheses.
I put the parentheses in the completely wrong place.
Okay. This should be good. You can even remove like the other parentheses
so
there.
Now I don't need this, but I need the comma here and.
Yeah, you can just do space F to realign everything.
Yeah, not here, obviously. Okay.
Better
obviously,
than cargo fix. Yeah, you could do this very easily. Yeah, you miss one single thing. You have to ignore the other fields in the struct. Well, like this. Do a double dot.
Yes. Who knows if it would have told me? I want to try. So this says missing fields, struct token, semi-token. Okay. Yeah. I probably wouldn't have remembered the double dot. Okay. This is found to be type synident. Yeah, this is correct, to be fair. You are extremely correct. So I'm going to select this and put it back. No.
See, I mean, you just to delete it. You cannot pass over paste. I mean, you probably can. I don't know how. You just like recopy the string again.
Because he is going to like cut it. Oh no.
Okay. You remove the column.
Okay.
Semicolon. Sorry.
And in here.
Okay. This should like work as intended.
I tried to do something cool, but
you could like make a macro.
Yeah.
To panic.
Okay. No, this is a warning. Warning error. Cannot move out of index. Move a critical value. Which type?
You could like you do like in these cases I just do as ref. Like the option type, I do dot as ref. In this way, like I unwrap the reference.
And then unwrap the reference.
Yeah, so like I'm not gonna consume it.
Okay, interesting. Okay. Value partially moved here, fields.
Yeah, because you use it later, so I would match on ampersand input data. I don't usually do it because I consume it on the spot, but okay. We have a thing.
String. Okay. Okay.
Easier.
Very, very easy. So I want to get also the type. First field type. I just want to do it in the dump way.
Yeah, you select with the mouse, press Y, and paste the space.
Okay. So this field, what's inside? So this is this identifier, and then I guess tie is the type.
Yes.
And I want to get the identifier of the type.
I think you can like
maybe.
I don't know. I don't remember. Let's see how I do it.
Or maybe I just interpolate or whatever the type.
I think you can. Let me check what I did here. Nested meta.
Let's see. Field type.
Okay. It's rather simple.
Let's. I want to try.
I mean, it was not rather simple. When I did it, I spent like half a day figuring out.
So So since this is anyway like some AST kind of things.
It's a move, so you wanna reference it.
I guess.
It did something. I don't know if it output some warning somewhere.
Yes, a bunch of them. So, oh no.
Simply because it's not used. That's fine.
Okay.
I mean,
this is interesting. So,
I mean, you could kill that easily. You could actually, like, you know what? You can take the input, the print input, and just put it on the top of everything. So, like this way, you can consume the input later if you want. Like the print, since you are not even like changing you just put it in the second line of the function double D.
Oh, double D also copies it.
Yes.
Okay. Wrong.
Double D and Shift P.
Shift P is up.
There we go.
Okay. And so the that's how I like it. Input data fields. So this can be done in one.
Yes.
Actually.
Great.
And I can just do like in here quote. No, this one.
Yeah, this actually. No, because like quote doesn't let you do like expression. It only wants at least as far as I can remember, only wants you to use like straight field. But you could open a bracket.
Yeah.
Open a block.
And
close a block.
Oh god, what have you done?
Yeah, because you didn't close the block. I like auto indented that for you. So you can like store that one in a binding. You do let name.
So this let name equals this, and then I go here. I know it's not the same thing, but above is
too much. Do you press U? Okay.
It's just the line.
Shift V.
Shift.
Yeah, Shift V. Y.
Okay.
Beauties of select mode.
Okay, let type equals this.
You want to maybe call it type because type is an identifier, like a keyword.
And and then quote. And here I just do hash name on hash type.
Okay. You're golden. You can delete the second.
This is press 200 times in here. I'm just first field right now.
Yeah.
And this first field. No, I press 1, obviously.
Something wrong?
No, same thing. I'm going. Something wrong because it didn't do it.
Yeah. Monkey shake. Shit. Why would it go up? This is interesting.
Just get this.
It's unused.
I'm so stupid. Oh god.
I didn't see that either. Like it should.
Okay.
Okay, we are golden.
Let's go. So, and I work with AST, and what I would have done normally, like with any like kind of transformer based, I would have recreated a field declaration, and then saying, okay, the field declaration has this as a name and this is a type. This is like literally writing code when I just put the colon and so it's different.
I think like if you just like reason in like Rust, normal Rust terms, you can see like you can make this into an array of things pretty easily because like you have like the number 0 thing you can and it's on the same data, so you can I think iterate on that.
Iterating in Rust. Do I want to do the cool thing?
Yeah, of course.
of course. I still don't understand what's the difference. Okay, this consumes it, this doesn't.
Yeah, okay. And then you might bother it.
Map, and then I do. Oh god, there's no button.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. This keyboard is kind of weird.
This is the field. And this is now I have to say what I return. What do I return?
No, you don't. It's inferred.
Okay. So I open.
Okay. I will leave you do this. I will be back.
Yes. Yes.
Be right back.
I'm gonna destroy everything.
Okay. Take a bucket of water and get everything catches fire.
Okay, so I moved it here. I return an array of whatever he's returning. That goes instead of first field. Oh, okay, obviously I am a bit random. Pretty sure you need to pointer a pointer there. Type. Yes. I am going to not do that. I don't understand much. The person that is teaching me this is not here right now, so I'm just rambling. Interesting. Yeah, it's coming back in a second. I'm just randomly writing some code just to see how much Rust hates me. Not found in this code. I have a name because I'm.
No need to call the firefighters. I see. It's nice.
do this. Unknown field. Named. Sorry. What the hell did I do here?
You put the name too much probably.
Maybe. No. Yes.
I mean, you already have.
Oh my god.
Hey X, what's up? With the pointer there, typecast to a double positive point. Okay. There is an early version of my practice tool, not really. I mean, I've given to some people for testing. I'm not giving it too much because I don't want like broken version to go around. But yeah, I have like select a few runners using it.
So now, let me do something to be sure. Comma.
Okay.
Now, how do I say that this is an array of
you can expand
tokens?
that in. I'm gonna tell you now. I don't know.
Array of tokens into whatever.
Okay, this way.
Oh,
You
okay.
hashtag. Yeah, I'm gonna release it soonish, by the way, because it's I've already dragged it to a unit that star at the end. Fortunately, in real life, no, but we've been friends like for quite a while. Say at least half of our lives, probably more.
Yeah.
Okay, stuff is happening.
Ooh, nice. Stress and string. Okay.
Stress and string. Nice. It's a nice representation of software engineering profession.
This doesn't need anything else, I think. Okay, we don't have.
Like I'm gonna try strat stuff too. Yeah, it's. I hope I can like bring it out within the next week at most. I have like most features are there, and I think I will freeze the features that are in there and just like pay attention that what's in there works, and then I will like set up like a system of progressive releases with more feature over time. But like I need to calm down because I've been like making so much shit lately, and it's like my work days are like 16 hours because like I start in the morning, work on the practice tool, then I stop and I start working for my day job, and then I stop and I work the practice tool again, and then I wonder why I don't sleep.
You mix the two things. You work on your real job, and then you start working on whatever you do during the day, and then you go back to the practice tool that is your real job.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so I'm here and I'm doing. So now this is easy.
Okay.
But then I need the name, and I don't need the type. No, I do need the type. I need the name and type again, but as a different thing. So
yeah, that's right, X. I'm replying to chat in the meantime.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead. Probably need to change the command that is going to show. Are we not showing the
every time someone says practice tool.
Okay. Every time one says the practice tool, that happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe it needs some kind of cooldown.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
I mean, not super urgent. Like it's not like my chat is super flooded usually.
People will learn to say practice tool.
Okay, let's go.
So, because I'm thinking how I would do it in another language, but it's not this. So, because what I would do is to store name and type somewhere, to then reuse it, and then for the field declaration, I create a quote where I use them for blah blah.
I did that, I think. Let me see where I did that. Like I did some like concerning stuff about that. Yeah, because see, like I've written like a tuple of arrays where I like return like the whatever like this is the declaration of the identifier. This is the function.
I mean, there was the other idea. Like I have fields, and then I have this is like build methods, And then in here I just return the tuple of the two things.
You want the tuple
yeah.
to be like yeah, you could do that.
How do I return tuple?
Open parentheses and close parentheses, simply.
Like
normal parentheses.
Normal that's a tuple. And here as well.
That's an array. We don't do that.
No array.
Multiple output arguments. This is MATLAB. No, this is Rust. I mean, it's actually like it's one, but it's a tuple, which is like return with the struct.
Oh no. I
mean, can you not do that like in C++? I mean, I think there is like the tuple type, but I think it's way less flexible.
So something like more complex than this. So this is like with
yeah, you need to
name.
No, you cannot do that. You need to like you did with the builder name, basically.
With the builder name. Oh.
Okay. Let me see how I did that, because
okay. Oh.
I did it here.
I mean, it's not a big deal, because I just do it here and do like method name.
This is zero-source development. Yeah, me either, but I've seen a bit of the new structures, and like they're nice, but I don't really know what they're up to either, nor do I like particularly care, since like I would have it for the same use cases as I have Rust, so I haven't like really looked into it much. Yep.
Like this, and this is gonna be.
You want like the whole definition.
The what?
The whole definition of the FN method name.
Yes, obviously, yes. FN.
I mean, why not?
Yeah, it has to be. And then I just open, and then was just mod self.
Yeah.
And then in here was.
You have no, you don't have it then. Sorry.
Let's go without any problem. Actually, no, I can reuse name maybe.
Yes.
And then use the type as well. Tie, and then close, and then say I want to return builder name. I have it. Yes.
And you could also return a self with the capital S.
That's much better. Oh. What if I want to open a curly brace?
You do. You can do easily. Like it's just like the Rust one has to match
okay.
the quote one. Maybe I would go to the new line in quote. Great.
And in here it was self dot no. Maybe yes actually. Name.
Yeah.
Equals name.
Yes.
And then self. This is returned here. This is fields and methods. This is. Let me write this. It was parentheses, then hash again, methods. Close this. Start. Okay, let me see again what I've done. So method name, self name, type name. The name of the field that I used.
I think there may be a mistake, but let's see it through, so like you can see what's going to go on. Like I know what's gonna be the problem.
Oh no.
You want a spoiler? That's a tuple of iterators. No, it's actually like you are returning
an iterator of tuples.
Not a tuple of iterators.
No.
And I don't even know like if you can like inside of quote you can like decompose it. So I like you have to sort of unzip it. Let's see how did I do this here? Because I definitely did.
Yeah, it's true. It's a.
Okay, yeah, I did this ugly shit.
It's an iterator of tuple. So do I keep it as an iterator of tuple? Or not?
The perfect source, yeah.
do I keep it like a stuff, whatever?
Yeah. Like look at. I mean, I'm gonna give you the solution because it's ugly. Like I get an array of tuples, like an iterator of tuples, and I make it into like I fold it into 3 vectors. It's not my favorite. I wish there was like an automated way to do this.
So then you do fields and methods like this.
Exactly, with the parentheses.
Even if it's a vector.
No, it's gonna like what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fold over a tuple of vectors.
Oh, okay.
And then I have a you can see where this is going.
Yes, and then you add.
I can just decompose it each field of the iterator, and I push it into the vector, and I return those vectors.
So I do it
at the end of everything.
The end of everything.
At the end of the match, let's say.
Like this.
And you fold over tuple of 2 vectors.
So back. Do I have to specify? Can I use the cool?
Yeah, you can do that.
Like this.
Then you need the Then you need the closure, which has as first parameter like the decomposition of the vectors.
So this is the
thank you Hex for the beats. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Gonna go play a bit, have fun with the development. Thank you.
Fields and methods, I guess.
Yes, I decomposed it this way. I mean, you can copy it because it's.
Oh yeah, obviously it has to be decomposed.
Thank you again, Hex. Okay.
And I decomposed it, and then
you get an input. You can like already decompose it. Like I don't know. Right later Hex.
And how? Oh, okay. Pressed. No. Stop. I press this instead of enter.
Like
do I need the index as well?
No, you don't. Like it's tuples don't have an index. But you do need to specify like next to the tuple, you need to specify the input because fold takes.
That's not the index. That's the input. Sorry.
Yeah. Like you do sort of I put it this way, but like a smarter way would be to open parentheses. Like you decompose that as well.
Oh, so the input is
field and method.
The
like you're returning a tuple of 2 quotes.
Well, an iterator of tuples.
Yeah, but so this one is an element of the iterator.
Okay.
And this one is the accumulators, which is like basically these two. You're going to like return repeatedly these 2 values.
Yeah. So I want to put fs dot push and then I dot 0 and then nt dot push I dot 1.
And then you return the tuple of vectors.
And then we return fs mt.
Like there is a more elegant way of doing this, which I haven't done in my own code, so I'm not one to speak. But you can just, instead of the I, you put you put a tuple there and you say field and method.
Yeah. All right.
This I'm spoiling because it didn't occur to me either.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's okay. Interesting. So fold is it's like the reduce.
The reduce, exactly. Okay. Yes, it's exactly that.
And then create fields methods.
And this should work like immediately. YOLO.
What's a local variable sim?
Maybe there's something.
Expected expression.
Is this?
No. Okay.
I have never seen like write partial buffer.
Because I pressed random button.
Okay. Wow, it worked.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay. Like now we're ready for the next step. Like actually making it.
I mean, I guess we have to add build.
Yes. Yeah, and you need no iterations on that. I mean, you do actually. So you're going to need to add something else to that iterator.
Oh god. Yes. Okay. Function build, and then the build take self returns. I didn't create it. Returns self. I know that it doesn't, but so it doesn't tell me that I'm doing something bad. Let struct name.
You can just refer input ident as is, I think. I'm not sure. This is why I'm spoiling it.
In here, I can.
Yeah. No, I mean you struct name equals input.ident.
Yeah. I want to do this without doing anything else and see if it was working, I guess. Hash struct name. Let's save it. This is just okay.
Can we just move them so you know what to do?
I guess.
Yeah, this should be perfectly okay.
I didn't save. Oh no, I did save. No, I didn't. Good. Okay. Build returns Pmyl. Nice. And okay. What I was doing? I was doing struct name. And then I opened the curly brace. And then in here, I have all the assignments.
Yep.
There are name, colon, self.name, question mark.
Yes. Okay, so yes, but you have to do other things. But you can do that later. Actually, let's do one step at a time.
This is an option of struct name. Yeah. Assignments. Where is it? Okay, here. Quote. I don't even know if I have everything here. I guess it's pretty easy actually, because the assignment is hash name colon self.
Yeah.
Hash name, because I was able to do it before. Question mark. Comma. Yeah.
I don't know. I think it will add the comma automatically. I'm not confident about it though.
Mode. This is assignment with no. I don't want to put it with the M. just to
ASG maybe.
Assignment. And then how do I? No.
YYP.
Okay.
I say why because like why it's too long. Like it's longer than it happens in my mind.
And then in here is, and then I have to start with another vector. And no, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm
same. Like it happens. Sometimes I end up in weird spots.
I didn't use it. Do I get any? Okay, assignment is not used. So I guess is as assignment. Because it's the same thing. Yeah. It's an array. So what I say.
Array.
And okay. Okay,
what's
not
that?
Okay, did I write it correctly? This seems fine. Okay. The trait to tokens not implemented for vector. Token stream 2. Is it though? ASM, I'm pushing assignment. Assignment, it comes from this. Is it because I don't like the question mark.
Probably it's the comma.
Is the comma?
I don't know, like I'm not entirely sure. It could
no,
be
the comma is here.
It's in here, okay, never mind. Let's try, let's see what happens. Maybe it's the self because it's not referenced.
Let's do this. Name. Okay, this is
weird. Where it comes from?
This is a comma, so I'm creating a vector of 3 things, and I fold it, 3 vectors. I push, I return it every time. This doesn't seem wrong. What if I try to print whatever I have?
Yeah, you can.
And then I don't use it, obviously. Did I use? I used the wrong parentheses.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you can like just go back and like redo it.
Yeah. Okay. This was name. Okay.
Okay, missing something, but
I am missing something.
like a very tiny thing.
Yeah, it's an option.
Yeah. I haven't saved.
Why? I don't know what I'm pressing sometimes.
Nobody does. Like it's
Nobody does.
You're not supposed to know. It's a subconscious way of editing code.
So, can I use this in tests?
I think so.
So if I do,
you can. I think you can read the tests in line with that. Yeah.
In line here.
Yeah. Or actually,
Let's try.
Try with it in
tests. Example.
Okay. Okay. You can.
Okay. I wrote this here. Okay. Something wrong with what I created.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You can do cargo check -- tests for that. Because it will expand your macro and it will tell you if there are errors. So,
yeah. The question mark operator cannot be applied to values when try.
Yeah, okay, I understood what went wrong there.
Oh no.
Expand the macro and look at
your output. So it's like cargo. No, it's just.
You can do Control R exp and it will give you Control R.
In here?
Yeah, exp. Enter. Okay.
Now I'm under pressure.
Not gonna fire you, don't worry.
I got it.
Yeah, it was quite simple.
These are the fields. So this is here. Okay. Cargo check tests. Expected enum option found. Struct string. No, okay, so it's not okay. So the assignment I forgot to. No, I forgot nothing. It's a question mark.
It's the other one.
This one, yeah. So this one is some of the name. Saved. Someone, okay.
Okay, let's see. We are
there are errors. Can't leak private type.
Okay.
Because private. Yes, yeah, obviously. Bye. This one.
This is in the tests. I mean, this is in the...
This is not the tests. No, this is the examples.
Yeah. No, you were actually right. Go ahead. I was still...
This was the one above, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I have to do pub here and here.
I mean, like in theory, it works.
Okay.
You can like go ahead and have fun with your
So obviously,
tests.
how do I create this builder? I'm gonna create manually
Yeah, for now.
right now. How do I? Wait. Control V. Up. No.
Delete everything. I mean, I would leave the commented code there.
Okay.
Okay, start above and so you can use it for reference. I think okay, you no, just kidding. You could actually generate this. You don't need to.
I can generate this. Yes.
Let's do that.
Okay.
That's the fun part.
Okay. So. And in here, I will have to generate it. Let's start writing. I don't know if I need something more because I implement the
On your struct.
struct name.
No.
Oh no, I don't know what I'm doing. So okay. I'm breaking your computer. You have so many key.
I do the same all the time. Okay, I'm waiting for the day that I will like turn my monitor 90 degrees on one side.
Well, this was function builder that returns the builder name.
Yes.
And I guess this is simply nothing. This is it's default. Okay. Builder name default.
Miss the name. And also you miss something else, but
yeah, obviously I missed this derive, but I don't know if
you can do that. I had the same doubt, but you can do it.
Okay. Maybe. I want to expand it.
I mean, the derived default is going to be ugly because it got expanded as well, but.
And then.
Yeah, you can go ahead with tests.
I modify this. Sorry, I just go. I just have to. I want to run all the tests.
Okay, you add the comment then.
How do I decomment them?
Control V. Right.
Oh, right.
And go down all the way.
Okay.
X.
Okay, very simple. Saved. I exit and then I. Actually, it was Control R and it was test. Cargo test. It failed.
Nice. Okay, but because maybe we have to adapt. Why examples though?
What? Okay, I can do it. Does it have to be pop? No?
Okay, you have to put
this one as well.
You have to just make it public. But
this is the same. Can I just comment everything here? Control V.
No,
no.
You.
Okay.
Control D now. You go down. I. Capital I. Sorry. No, press escape. You got into weird state.
No, I didn't press escape. I'm just why do I do this?
It's not the simplest thing in the world, I guess.
Ask. Okay. They
fucking
passed.
Works.
It works.
Nice. I wouldn't have expected honestly that they passed, but they actually did. Wow. Nice.
So good. So
Like,
These things are passing now.
Like I would expect like just like half an hour of work on this, but it's actually like it's like I said, it's amazing.
So I can like
You can add whatever you want.
add a new one. So let's put back age. So okay,
you can have 265 years, I guess.
So hash test. No, enter. With age.
I think you will have to modify the other tests. Okay, no, okay. I see what you're doing.
I just want to.
You repeat the same test.
There is one test that I would have to modify, obviously, but. You know what?
Yeah.
And I have. I'm very. No, I don't want to build. I just want to access builder, and then in here I can press O and assert that builder dot age is sum of the three. Is obviously I didn't put the correct assert. And in here I'm gonna add this. Was YYP. Okay.
DI parentheses or CI parentheses, even better. CI open parentheses, normal one.
33. Okay. And Q as well, and then cargo test. Works.
Poggers.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
This was a trip. But what do you want to add to this? Like this is actually like workable by itself. Like it can work. Like it's something that I don't know how to do, so we can figure it out together. It's like the public or private modifier. I guess you will have to like use the same. Like if you have a public struct, you want to have like the same visibility.
Of the builder as well.
Yeah. I don't know how to do that though. Let's check it out.
Very interesting.
I guess we can like go back and just try to expand the macro so you can see what the data structure is look like. You don't.
Yeah, I.
Okay, no, this should work.
I.
All right.
So, Control B. Right, down. No, too much, and then X. Okay. Yeah. Obviously, right now, just make it public. Otherwise, it just complains.
I mean, it won't because you're not compiling it. You're just expanding the map.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Do we have visibility here? We do have visibility here. Okay. So this is, I guess, easiest doing. No, it's not that easy. No. Actually, visibility, and this is a match on the imp.
I mean, do you like if you want? You should just want to copy it. I think you can just take that one from input.
Okay.
As it like you ampersand input.viz.
And then in here, would this work?
I think so. I hope so.
Okay. Obviously, is pub. Where is it?
You go to the.
Okay. It's public. Okay. Let's say that this is not public.
And this is the only one that I'm worried about. Yeah, it works.
It works.
Nice.
So the tests as well, because before they were failing. I can just say I don't care about this, And
I think you shouldn't like have the fields public in private struct. I don't know though.
Well, otherwise.
I mean, meaning that they are going to inherit. Like, if anything, you can make it more permissive. No, less permissive, but not more. Like, meaning you cannot use in a pub context that struct. So if the struct was pub, but you didn't have the fields as pub, you could only see the struct but not the fields. And you could like make one field pub create maybe, or another field pub, and you could see pub create in the crate, pub everywhere, and the other fields nowhere.
But even the builder though. So like,
you want to do also in the builder?
Like, because this is like, this is not created. This is, I brought it here, so it doesn't really matter what I do, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, so if I have this, it should still work fine.
I don't know. Let's try it. I guess. I mean, if it doesn't work, Grass is going to tell us, okay, that doesn't work at all. I mean, doesn't have a problem at all.
Yeah, because the builder is still private anyway.
Yeah.
In the for the struct itself. So yeah. The only thing, I mean, I made all the fields. No, I didn't make them public. Sorry, I was thinking I can access them in tests, but the tests are there anyway. So okay.
You would like do the visibility thing also in the methods and in the import of build. Because I mean, it sort of will inherit the visibility of the overall struct. Like if you do a pub create, you are going to need them to be pub create as well.
Yes.
So like wherever the struct is visible, the builder is visible, nowhere else.
So we can do it as a how do you say, a style exercise. But I don't know, would it be useful, because it means that like.
I mean, the thing is that, like, you have your overall struct, no? And you are deriving on that struct. So
yes.
You are going to, wherever you're going to see that struct, and only there you are going to see its builder.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Anyway, so if you can create the struct, it means that you can use the builder.
Exactly.
Otherwise,
you cannot. You should not.
Okay, so this is the problem here.
Yeah. It's not really a problem.
Wait, is it? Yeah, not a problem. Let me expand, because I want to see the visibility of the field. It's the same thing. So this is let these. Yeah, let's do this. And then
these. Yes.
Okay. So
on the other hand,
let me see. Where is it? Here, pop. This is the example that it's using, and this is image. Yeah, because you can have a
-3 years
negative age.
I mean, maybe I18 is.
This is a method. Though. This is the method. I'm stupid. Sorry. That's the method.
Do I like this? I mean,
It depends. What is the purpose of this builder? Because the purpose of this builder is saying you can create something that can have encapsulation even outside.
Okay.
Then this wouldn't work, because it means that you couldn't call with age, and then it would fail here.
Okay. I would make this like if you want to encapsulate, meaning once you've created it, you cannot modify the fields.
Yep.
But you can, like, as long as you have the builder.
Yep.
I would use, instead of the field visibility, I would use the struct visibility for each of those.
Yes.
So
okay.
Just
visibility, and then I just get rid of
that one.
this.
Yeah. So in that way, like later, like the usage, you can sort of.
So these are all, I guess
Yeah, it's private, so.
I guess built as well. or private, and then if I make this public, can I do this?
Yeah.
I just never done it. I don't use much the visibility because I have
me either actually.
one folder.
Yeah, I mean it depends. Like if you will start like to separate crates, then it gets like very important very very fast. But like until then,
this works obviously. I guess it's in here. Visibility, and then this is all.
That's all. Yeah. I like at this point this is just already usable. Like I wouldn't like need to add much to this.
So this is more or less what we were talking about the other time, that I can create this to create some sort of copy of
the cloning.
Yeah, like a cloning or making things public without make them modifiable. So I keep them private so the domain can work on those things how it wants, but if you start giving them outside, they shouldn't be able to modify them.
Okay. I mean this way you have like, that you have a random state like that's not controlled by you at the beginning, but later you control it, like the transition from that state you control it.
Yes.
So you can like make assumptions or whatever.
You keep the in
referential integrity. No, this is completely a different concept.
No, I don't remember. There's a word I remember sometimes.
And this is database concepts.
Yeah. No. Why? Invariance. That's what it is.
You give the invariance. Yeah.
Okay. Obviously you did. So like you did use like things where you put markers here. I don't know.
You could, yeah. If you do you want to do that? Do you want to go down that road? I can.
Let's say no.
Let's say no. I mean, if you want to experiment with this, you can. But if you don't like it, at this point, like I have no further questions, Your Honor. So you can you're free to do whatever you want with this stuff.
Yeah. So
if you have questions,
do you hire me?
Yes. I will have Silvia pay you.
So at least 5K per year.
Yes, 5K per year. I mean, it's a kind of a bargain, I would say, for one who knows how to do like procedural money. So it's a good value.
The fold is the one that actually tricks me, because I wouldn't have done this.
Yeah, me either. Like I don't particularly like it. Like I wish there was a way to turn, like in a straightforward way, a iterator of tuples into tuple of iterators. But I haven't like figured out how we can do it. So we can.
I mean, for me it was more by myself. I would have done most of this in 20 hours of work, but the fold would have been the thing, like saying, okay, how do I return? Probably I would have said, okay, cool, I rematch on this 3 times.
Yeah, or you do a 4 and you like create 3 external vectors that are mutable and blah blah blah.
Probably at the beginning I would have said, let's refactor later. 3 match, and then I see how to avoid having 3 matches.
Yeah, I wish there was a solution for this that I'm basically just ignoring somehow. But I haven't found it yet, or like maybe it's just one of those things that are like convenience that you don't really like bump into that often, because like it's not like every day that you do those kind of turn.
No, yeah. Obviously.
But yeah, I had that need sometimes, and this was one of those times.
You can create a macro to do
yes.
that based on how many. Oh god. Okay, that was interesting. Are you interested in doing something more?
Yes, absolutely. Go. You're free to choose the next topic.
So at this point, if you're open to do more, then I can.
Yes, the fields.
Oh,
absolutely. Okay.
Like for example, I would say I just want to this one. I just want this one. I don't want others.
Okay, so you filter by that one. If it's not present, you do them all, or only these?
I do only the ones that are there. Obviously, the code will fail. Would always return none because of this rule. But let's ignore it right now. I just want to, because what I can do is, let's ignore it. Okay. I don't want to do something that works. I want to do something that creates the code that I
want to create. Okay. All right. The way you start doing is you add like an attribute to the proc macro derive.
Okay.
You do comma attributes small a parentheses, and you put the name of the attribute that you want in there, which is this one. This one. You close parentheses and okay. Now attributes are something weird because they are not. I don't really know. Like they're going to be ignored by the compiler. So I don't think that they have like any sort of see, like the output is like it's just gonna get yanked. They are just sort of a marker for you to use, and you haven't saved, I think. The example. Yeah. So it's not gonna show you.
I don't know if I saved this as well.
I think like besides all structs can see that.
So there's a field and it doesn't say anything about because I didn't put it there. Obviously, in here. Okay.
Bound bracket.
There's an attribute with the identifier this one.
Yeah. So you can mention that, I guess.
Is there an easier way to do that? Like, I don't know if there...
let me see how I did this.
Because, I mean, this is just a matter of filtering by the ones that have attribute, and then...
Yeah. I see that I used... No, but this is... attributes meta. Parse meta. Okay, I need to do this parse meta, which I'll...
Fill that. But yeah, so you do directly in the map because you still apply to everything, but the ones with the token you want to do something different.
I think that like what I do in this particular case is I filter the attributes and turn the attributes into something that I want, because in this particular I have ring source code param data. Okay, I mean this is generated code, don't worry. This is like generated. Okay, see, like I have arguments in this. You don't really need them. You just want to see if there is a attribute that matches this. Okay, so
and you do it by string, yeah. So is I then bit flag.
Is I, yeah. I wouldn't even go either. I would just take first. If let sum of the first attribute of the field.
More or less. No, too much.
No, you need to delete the tabs. Shift tab.
I just want. It's not really indented correctly. Why?
If I do space F.
Okay, you are correct. I was gonna do it manually, so I'll just do this then.
Okay.
Oh, I like it. Oh yeah, but I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna do it later. So do this. Tab. Filter.
Yeah.
And then I do this field. This.
Okay, this isn't occurred to me, but yeah, it's very clever.
Because I need to field
actors.
So yeah, actors. And so this is a attribute.
It's
a vector of attribute. As well, can I get the first one?
Yeah. I mean, if you get none, there means there are no attributes.
Yeah. So, but I want to do like, because I want to ensure it's there. I don't want to panic. So I want to do like. Is there a way to say give me the first?
Yes.
And then. Okay.
You can match on that.
Let's do this. Oh, I can match. You are correct. I can do match. I was thinking, can I do if, but match is better at this point, I guess. Oh no, what am I doing?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
And
This is
sum
of attribute. Yeah, maybe instead of the type attr. And this is attr.path. You use isIdent, so this is gonna be this one. Oh, interesting. I'm having.
I have a weird setup on that because like if I press enter, you can start editing inside of the quotes, but I don't really use it often. False, I guess. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, isIdent. I'm thinking only the ones with that.
There is a problem. There is a problem that will show up later, but let's go ahead.
Later, okay.
I mean, probably now, but okay. The filtering works.
Okay.
But like you can see there is an error already.
Oh,
Also,
no.
the 18 bits. It's a weird data type in the example.
18. I wrote 18 because I'm
18
a
bits.
genius. Okay, 18. And there is
an issue.
an
How will
issue.
you go?
Stress. Yeah.
While you figure it out.
There is an issue. If so what if I put two of them? Okay. Does it work? Seems like it's working. What's wrong with this? What if it's because I make assumptions? No, I don't really. If there are none, I should just create a builder with nothing inside. Oh, I mean yeah, okay. I don't know if he refers to this, but obviously this code doesn't work. But it's not a problem, I guess. I think.
Found it?
I no. But it depends what you're looking for, because this code doesn't run. Okay, it doesn't work because I'm trying to create Pmyl with nothing inside, but this is it seems like it's working as expected.
I mean, you haven't compiled it, so
yeah.
I mean, it produces code, but is the code correct? The expand macro doesn't care.
Yeah, is the code correct?
It's not.
Why not?
I mean, you need, like, regardless, you need all the structs.
The whole struct.
Yeah, like when you instance it, like if you went there and said Pmyl with a new stress, it wouldn't allow you to do so.
Yes, so that's fine because that wasn't the purpose. But if we want to keep it that it works at all times, I can do it, but now it's gonna become even more absurd, because I guess what we can do is to say you put all of them here, and the ones that are in the builder is self dot the name. Otherwise, is the type dot the default?
Yes, absolutely. Like this is exactly the way that I would do it.
Okay, so
I mean, you can just like remove the filter from there.
see, yeah. So it's we don't want this.
I mean, you can like comment it, but because like you're going to need that code like later.
Again, I did it again. It's just I can do you okay. Space escape. Okay. Yeah, no, I keep it. I commented because I want to reuse it basically.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to need.
Okay, so in here we have to do some kind of
If this, then.
if, but I will do it here. So this will be the.
There's some message for you. Don't do it again.
Oh no. Hello, Semblo.
It's probably someone you.
Someone I know, because there's no Giulio anywhere in here. Okay, so this is the assignment, and what I can do is if maybe, and then I do. Oh my god!
I mean, you could even not use an if, but could use
Let's do match field at first. I just copy what I wrote there, and then I want to see what happens. So in here, this is gonna be the same as sum of at. Obviously, this doesn't work if the attribute is in another place, but let's ignore it. And then I say, if the attribute. Let me write it. Then we write it better.
Yeah.
Path is ident and is this one. Oh no, this one.
That's the reason why I see like I pressed the enter and it added me the.
Yeah, it is confuse me sometimes. And so if it's this one, then I want it to be quote of whatever is here. I can do y and then escape p. Cool.
Okay.
And then else is not that, but is what I can do it.
Oh, absolutely not.
Of well.
Oh no, yeah. Sorry.
We want to, because we want to assign to name the type. Can we do type of default of every type? Can we do default of every type?
Yeah, I mean, if you don't have a default for that type, it's going to tell you.
What I mean is, can I do it of U8 as well? U8.
Yeah, U8 as a default, I think.
No. Like, can I, for example, now I'm writing here, but can I write this?
Yeah. I mean, the other way you could do it is just big default. Because like it's going to like automatically like
this.
Not even the type. It's just default with empty parentheses.
What is default?
The one that you've written, remove the type.
Oh.
Because like this is actually automatically going to get the implementation for the type.
Okay.
Because you're just invoking the trait, and the trait depends on.
And the comma here.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. This is assignment. I don't even know if it gives error. Yeah. Pattern non. Pattern non.
Yeah.
First. Some.
I mean, you could. I don't know if you know how to do this in the matches, but you can match the thing with a given. You just remove the double arrow. Like you just move the arrow to the end.
This one?
Yeah, this one. You move it after the if. Yeah. Like it will match this if the condition is satisfied.
Really? And then I do comma
everything else.
Underscore. I don't even need to do this, and then I can do this.
Brilliant.
Okay, so here's a match, and then you add an if after. I don't know. Okay, that's nice. So these are always here, and only the ones that you can specify, only the ones that are marked, and the other are not specified. Like the start with default.
Yeah.
Nice,
right? I mean, at this point, you probably need to expand this to the other stuff, and I would just do a big match in there and do everything that has the thing. I just return the 3. Like you also need to remove the method, and also you need to remove the like you don't need it inside your struct.
Yes. Okay.
So like in the case that they has an attribute, you can just return the 3.
So I can move these in here basically.
Yeah. And then the other is going to be like 3 empty quotes. Hey Gins, what's up? Chance. we try our best.
Okay, so because I was thinking we can do these here. Now obviously I don't like it. But the thing is, oh no, that's why it doesn't do it. Just to understand what is happening. Yep. So I copied this here, and I'm saying if it's this one, then I get this quote. And no. And then I just paste it.
Yeah.
Here I just get rid of this line, and this no, don't. I know what I've done. It's pretty cool. I press D, and then where I press it just deletes everything.
Yes. This happens to me all the time.
Okay, so this is fine. These other case, I guess I can do.
I mean, I wouldn't copy it. I would just start with the.
We can create the ident. Oh wait.
That's the method name. You haven't like bound it to anything.
Ident method name. Okay.
No, you can do it like in. No, you can do it outside actually.
Yeah, because. And then this one as well, and this one like this, I guess.
Shift D.
Shift D.
It deletes to the end of the line, then you do P.
No. Stay calm. No. Because I press right, and I have to press escape, and then I press I. Why did you go there?
Maybe you have.
Maybe I press O.
I always okay.
Put B. Okay. 3 hours.
2 hours late. 2 hours later.
Okay. This one has to go. This one should be fine now.
Yeah, I think it's good. You only have to like to write the braces for, like the other parts of the.
Yeah, I just removed this. The whole thing. Remove the semicolon.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Remove semicolon and also assignment. And now I want to copy all of this. That is pressing Shift B, Y, and then let's do P here right now. Okay, interesting. So this, D, and I want it here. No, yeah, I wish.
Stuff.
Oh, okay. D and press here. I just use my new
newfound skills. I've never done that, so you're already better than me. What is the procedural macro? Should make it as no, don't worry. I mean, it's not like a topic that we are going to be facing in many other streams, I guess. Basically, in Rust, procedural macro is, and also there is no waste of time there. Feel free like to ask questions. Like I'm teaching him, but I'm like also teaching chat, so no question is a wrong question. Basically, in Rust, a procedural macro is something that a function that you can write that takes Rust code and produces other Rust code. Like you can use this to, like when you I use it in the practice tool a lot because I have to generate a lot of data structure that have like a lot of fields, and I don't want to do it by hand. So I like read data from somewhere. And I generate like some methods to manipulate this data structure, and I do this automatically, and because like it's much less cumbersome to write a macro to generate code for myself, because like the specific case in which I do is there are in Elden Ring, in Dark Souls 3, there are some things called params. There are basically the data structures that From Software uses for their data files, the damage definition, the regulations, and so on. Like they put it in some data. I don't know if it's static. I think it's a dynamic thing. But anyway, things is that like in the modding community we have like this data structure. How they are structured. I just take those files, I turn them into Rust structs, and then maybe there are things like bit fields. There are like flags that are packed into a single byte. And I want to have a function to do, set the flag that the item is, you can pick it up, or set the item that is not consumable, and so on. So I want to generate for those use cases, I want to generate a function that a setter, a getter for that bit. And this is like insanely useful because if when like they release a new version, it's very easy for them to just like add stuff in there, and this will break my stuff immediately, and I would have to manually go there and then do it. Instead, like I just generate code out of those files, and then with the procedural macros I generate the methods that I need. And this is not like something that you do every day, but definitely very useful for a lot of use cases.
I have a question about this.
Yeah.
I can read here something extremely weird.
Yeah, same.
Where's the closing parenthesis here?
I don't know, like check it. I think it's a bug in the. I've noticed this is probably a bug in the terminal.
Okay.
But if you like, you can run tests, I guess.
This is going to be obviously. Okay, let me try this. Y, and then I do Y test example. Then Shift P. This should work.
Yeah, this should.
Well. It works.
Perfect. Like now, if you want to do a test where you delete one of these fields and see if it behaves correctly, it syntactically already works, so I'm pretty confident.
You mean?
Yeah, you like delete the name. No, actually, I just delete the attribute.
Yes. And no, press this. Okay. So this is gonna give error that
it's not gonna have those.
With name is not there. This works.
It was a trip. I didn't think we would do it so fast, but it's daunting because it's daunting, and you have to sort of already have done it to figure out things. Like this I figured out by myself. It took ages because I mean, there are examples around the internet, but not too many, or maybe I'm just bad at Googling, which is like, I actually think I am bad at Googling. But yeah, it took me a while because I had to wait through the documentation, and it's something like one of those topics that are advanced enough that there is not enough demand for documentation that spurs someone to build good documentation. But since it's a thing that for me I found it really useful, I think I will clip this this recording and will publish it on YouTube, because I think it's gonna be like, even if it's just us like shooting the shit, it's just gonna be fun and useful for other people. So I think I think this adds something.
Admit it, you thought I didn't know anything about Rust. You said it's gonna take 42 hours.
No, not at all. Actually, I wasn't actually surprised, like, because I've seen your code. You can work with Rust like very, very easily already. Like you're already like at the level of productivity that's professional. Like, I mean, you're a senior developer, so I wouldn't have expected anything less than that. It's just that I don't know, like it took me a long time to figure things out by myself. So if I do another procedural macros, I am going to have to refer stuff that I've written already, because it's not like really laid out there, and there are not like many examples. But yeah, I think I think like with a bit of guidance, with a bit more documentation, which is a thing that the Rust community gets perfectly well, like 99% of the time. But not in this case, because it's not so. There are actually some. I think it's John Gangset. I hope I have pronounced his name correctly. He has like very, very interesting videos about these like more advanced things, and his book I got in it. It's amazing. It's very, very, very good book. And he does like streams like this on this advanced topic on async and so on. It's very interesting, but I mean, it's not like exactly teeming with tutorials about procedural macros. So I mean, one more couldn't hurt, I think.
Yeah.
And I think this could add some value to the community.
Yeah, that's true. You can write an article at this point.
Yeah.
For me personally, articles are much more.
The same, exactly. Like I think like John Hu's videos are very, very good. But it takes time. You have to sit there and watch videos, and it's a good way for me to sort of rehash things that I know, but I find it kind of hard to learn through that. So it would be probably nice to write an article on this when I have time.
Yeah, I mean, you have your job and your second job.
Third job. And you also have to eat sometimes and go to the gym.
You can skip it.
I'm hungry. I want the pizza.
Thanks for this.
Do we do anything else, or we say goodbye to chat?
We can say goodbye to chat. It's also almost time for
reading, as we mentioned. So let's see if we have someone we can raid.
This chair moves.
Twitch.tv. Have my followers in here, categories, let's see, in software development and game development. Let's see, like, let's go and meet someone else, not Italian only. Okay. Control F, Rust. Desktop app in Rust. 230 viewers. I don't want. Oh, look at this. I mean, VB.NET, Unity, PHP. No, let's go to the tried and true. Let's awesome gamers.
Yeah.
Who's there? Oh, there's Matt. Let's go say hi to Matt. He's doing any percent no major glitches in Hollow Knight.
Yep.
And I will see you guys maybe this afternoon. I am not sure. I will have to do a few things, and then maybe I will be back. And I don't know if I want to work more on the practice tool or I want to do a bit of Rune level 1. In any case, thank you everybody for sticking around and maybe learning a thing or two about this nice language. And I will see you guys. He won't see you guys. I mean, not in the webcam. Probably you will see him in chat. But I will see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye.